To make you a truck. A truck. You want a truck?
Yeah, I do.
You gotta fix the chair. You messed the chair up before I can make you a truck. Yeah, this is what we used to as a truck in Jamaica. When you all here can go to the store, we have to make our own. We had to make our own toy, Bryson.
That's funny.
Yeah, I'm gonna teach you. Alright. Knock it, you're good. Hold it now. Gotta hold it, yeah. You're gonna have to hold it tight. Alright, I'm gonna hold it now. See that?
First you need a big roll
Oh,
of
now we're gonna put a board right here.
Oh.
So you can push it and then you can turn it. Now, we're gonna come with this. You put mommy name. You put mommy name.
Yeah, I did.
Shelby and Bryson. I didn't know you can spell mommy name that good. Good job. Come on, man. Alright. Boom, 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 boom. Almost ready. Come, follow me. Yeah, turn it like that, yeah. Turn it back the next way. Turn it to your left. Back up. Back it up. Like you're driving a truck, man. Vroom, vroom, vroom. Back up. Change your lock. You gotta change your lock, man. Back it up. Yeah. I have a lot to learn, boy.